I used to have cryo blue on the Supra before I decided to change it to this new PPF color. I loved it. It was a great color, and like the whole opportunity to collab with you guys and paint this dead at the time was awesome. I had the color for almost 2 years and always got compliments because the color was so unique. And now that it's been almost 20,000 miles on that wrap, I was like, oh, it's time to change it up. And since you guys just launched the color PPF, it's the perfect opportunity to do this. We're getting the car ready for Bimmer Invasion. We're going to display it at the G Power booth, and hopefully the reception goes as well as the Cryo Blue did last time. I've had a relationship with Evolv for a couple of years. Ever since we did the Cryo Blue on my Supra, which is like paint is their collab color they did, the reception was really well. And now that Evolv has launched their new color PPF, I decided this will be a great time to change up the wrap, get more protection on the car, and try out a new color, and hopefully the reception goes as well when we unveil the Bimmer Invasion in a couple of days. So the last wrap actually held up pretty well considering my use case, which is driving the car on Teledragon. I drive that car a lot, so I've driven probably 20 to 25,000 miles on that single wrap in a year and a half, 2 years. Obviously has rock chips just from the normal use. So that's something I'm very looking forward to. The new color PPF is that I'll have even more protection. That I could probably get some more life out of the wrap. Given my use case of following my friends to Dragon, getting rocks thrown at it from like Sport Cup. And then yeah, I'm really looking forward to seeing the new color. I haven't seen it yet. I think it'll be a cool mix-up, and I hope it has a little hints of purple or like gloss, like almost like paint again. So the Nargo Garage has done probably 6 or 8 wraps for me now across a couple of my cars. Just working with them has always been a breeze. This is the second one we do with the guys over Evolv. It just seems like a match made in heaven, and hopefully we can continue working together on future projects of mine or whatever the world brings, I guess. I've never seen a color pop like this. Huge thanks to Evolv for making this possible.